Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Bosch washing machine not turning on. Let's dive in. The first solution is to verify power supply. Confirm that the washing machine is securely plugged into a functioning electrical outlet. Avoid using extension cords as they may not provide consistent power. Inspect your home circuit breaker for any tripped switches. If a breaker has tripped, reset it to restore power the machine. Our second solution is to inspect the power cord. Look for visible damage such as cuts, fraying, and burn marks on the power cord. A damaged cord may prevent the washer from receiving power and should be replaced by a qualified technician. Number third solution is to check the door latch. A washing machine wouldn't turn on if the door is not properly closed. Close the door firmly and listen for a clicking sound to confirm it is latched securely. Look for any debris such as clothing or foreign objects caught in door seals that may be preventing the door from closing completely. Number 4 solution is to deactivate child lock feature. If the child lock is engaged, a key symbol or CL may appear on the display. When activated, the control may be unresponsive. Refer to your user manual for instructions. Typically, pressing and holding the designated button for 3 to 5 seconds will display the child lock feature. Number 5 solution is to examine control panel. If the control panel is unresponsive or displays irregular behavior, there may be an issue with the electronic control board. This will likely require professional diagnosis and repair. Number 6 solution is to perform a soft reset. Turn off the washing machine and plug it from the power source. Wait for 5 minutes to reset the internal systems. Plug the machine back in and turn it on. This can resolve minor glitches. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.